Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things tech and real estate. Here we blend the world of technology with the dynamic landscape of real estate, providing you with a unique perspective that you won't find anywhere else. Our mission is to demystify the complex realms of tech and real estate, making them accessible and interesting for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned tech guru or a budding real estate investor, or perhaps somewhere in between, we're here to equip you with valuable insights and knowledge. We explore the latest trends, dissect the newest gadgets, and delve into the real estate market's highs and lows. We're all about helping you navigate these ever-evolving industries with confidence and ease. Today, we dive into the world of app development. If you have ever thought about building your own app, this video is for you. Before you start coding, you need to understand the purpose of your app and who your target audience is. Why? Well, let's break it down. The purpose of your app is the backbone of everything else that follows. It's the answer to the question, why does this app exist? It could be as simple as providing entertainment or as complex as solving a specific problem. Defining the purpose early on guides the decision-making process throughout development, shaping the design, functionality, and overall user experience. Now, on to the target audience. Knowing who you're building your app for is equally crucial. It determines the features you'll focus on, the language you'll use, and even the platforms you'll prioritize. It's about understanding their needs, preferences, and behaviors so you can tailor your app to meet them. Remember, an app without a clear purpose or target audience is like a ship without a rudder. Market research is a crucial part of app development. Why, you may ask? Well, imagine embarking on a journey without a map or a compass. You're likely to get lost, right? The same applies to app development. Without understanding the lay of the land, you might end up creating an app that has little to no demand, or worse, is a carbon copy of existing ones. So how do you conduct market research? Start by identifying your potential competitors. Explore their features, their strengths, their weaknesses. By doing so, you can carve out your unique selling proposition. Next, identify your target audience and understand their needs. What problems are they facing that your app could solve? Also, keep an eye on the trends. What's the latest buzz in the app world? Can you incorporate these trends into your app? Or even better, can you set new trends? Always remember, when it comes to app development, knowledge isn't just power, it's your roadmap to success. Remember, knowledge is power. Money makes the world go round, and your app is no exception. Now let's delve into the world of monetization strategies. It's not just about making an app, it's about making an app that can generate revenue. One popular approach is to offer in-app purchases. This allows users to enjoy the basic features of your app for free, but they can pay to unlock additional features or content. It's like giving them a taste of the full-course meal and then offering the whole banquet for a price. Another strategy is through advertisements. By partnering with advertisers, you can display their ads in your app and get paid for it. Just remember to strike a balance so as not to overwhelm your users with ads. Then there's the premium version strategy. You can offer a free version of your app with basic features and a premium version with advanced features. Your app might be a labor of love, but that doesn't mean it can't be profitable. Choosing the right platform for your app is a critical decision. It's a matter of choosing between the vast Android market with its flexibility and customization, or the streamlined, secure environment of iOS. Let's start with Android. The open-source nature of Android offers a wide range of possibilities for customization. It's a platform that's more flexible, allowing developers to experiment with features and designs. However, this flexibility comes with a cost. Android devices are incredibly diverse, which can lead to compatibility issues and increased testing requirements. On the other hand, iOS's more controlled environment has its benefits. It's known for its strong security and consistent user experience across all devices, but it's also more restrictive. There's less room for customization and experimentation, and the approval process for the App Store can be rigorous. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, so it really comes down to your app's specific needs and your target audience. Choose your platform wisely. First impressions matter, and your app's design is the first thing users will see. Now let's think about this. Design isn't just about pretty colors and stylish fonts. It's about the overall user experience, how your app feels, how it flows, how it responds to their touch. In the world of app development, design is a conversation between you and your user. It's your chance to guide them, to make their journey as smooth and intuitive as possible. You see, a clean design doesn't just look good, it feels good. It reduces cognitive load, making it easier for users to understand and navigate your app. So how do you achieve this? You focus on the essentials. Eliminate clutter, use familiar icons and gestures, make sure your app is responsive and quick. And remember, good design is iterative. It evolves with time and user feedback. A well-designed app is a pleasure to use, and that's exactly what we're aiming for. Prototyping and testing are crucial steps in the app development process. Imagine this, you're building a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is a feature of your app. Now, you wouldn't want to wait until all pieces are in place before checking if they fit together, would you? That's where prototyping comes in. It's assembling a first functional model of your app to see if all the pieces align. But we're not done just yet. After prototyping, it's time for a rigorous round of testing. This is your chance to identify and rectify any bugs or issues before they reach your end users. It's like shining a flashlight into every nook and cranny of your app. You're looking for anything that doesn't quite fit or work as expected. And remember, one round of testing is never enough. Think of it as a cycle. You prototype, you test, you refine, and then you do it all over again. Test, and test some more. Building your app is only half the battle. You also need to launch and market it effectively. It's like having a secret recipe. It's not enough to just have it. You need to let the world know about it. Now let's talk about marketing strategies. You can use social media advertising, which is cost-effective and has a broad reach. You can target your ads to specific demographics, making sure your app is seen by the people who would most likely use it. Another strategy is influencer partnerships. Find influencers who resonate with your app's target audience. They can promote your app to their followers, creating a buzz and driving downloads. You could also consider partnerships with other businesses, offering them a mutual benefit. For instance, they could feature your app on their platforms in exchange for your app offering their services. Remember, if no one knows about your app, no one will use it. Your work isn't done once your app is launched. You need to listen to user feedback and regularly update your app. It's like nurturing a plant. You don't just plant the seed and walk away, do you? No, you water it, you give it sunlight, you prune it and watch it grow. The same principle applies to your app. The users are the sun and water to your app. Their feedback illuminates areas for improvement and nourishes your app's growth. Good or bad, every piece of feedback is a valuable nugget of information, a chance to refine your app, to make it better. Regular updates show your users that you're committed to providing the best possible experience. It demonstrates that you're responsive, adaptable, and always striving for excellence. Remember, the tech world is ever evolving. Your app needs to evolve with it. An app is never truly finished. It's a continuous work in progress. That's a wrap on our top 10 things you need to know before building your own app. We've journeyed through the importance of conducting thorough market research, to understanding the nuances of choosing the right monetization strategy. We've discussed the significance of platform selection and dug deep into the realms of app design. We've underscored the value of prototyping and testing and highlighted the essence of a robust launch and marketing strategy. And let's not forget, we've emphasized the role of user feedback and updates in ensuring your app stays relevant and engaging. These components are all vital cogs in the machine of app development. As you embark on this exciting venture, remember, success lies in the details. Thank you for tuning into House Lux Estate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.